Hi, my name is Stephen Moffitt, and I'm a data scientist with extensive experience in the statistical and mathematical analysis of data and in programming. I'm interested in providing consulting services to projects that can benefit from my considerable background and expertise. My career falls into three periods. In the first, I was a programmer in mission control on Apollo missions 8 through 14 at NASA. Those missions culminated in the manned lunar landings. In the second, I was a biostatistics faculty member at Emory University. And in the third, I was a quant in the financial industries. At NASA, our team of programmers developed a software platform that acquired and then distributed the telemetry data from the lunar module. In particular, we displayed that information on the consoles of the flight directors who sat in the manned orbital control room directly above our facility. At the same time, I was a chess champion. I had become a champion of both Texas and Louisiana. Because NASA began downsizing the manned part of the spacecraft program, I elected to return to school and to begin studying subjects that I felt would benefit my career. I received a master's in theoretical mathematics, and then I earned a Ph.D. in statistics. With that background, I accepted a position on the faculty of Emory University in the medical school, specifically the Department of Biometry. Biometry is the application of mathematical and statistical methods to scientific and medical and biological research. Over the next years, I taught students graduate level statistics, and in addition, I participated in much research in oncology, in ophthalmology, in diabetes, and in pediatrics. I also had an interest in another game at that time, backgammon. Backgammon is perhaps a more appropriate game for a statistician because it involves dice and probabilities. I became the backgammon champion of Georgia, and then thereafter was ranked as high as third in the nation in the national backgammon rankings. Because of my interest in and success in games, I decided to embark on a new career in the financial markets. I moved to Philadelphia and began trading on the floor of the stock option of these options exchange, and then thereafter opened a consulting practice for traders and investment companies. During that period, I developed some significant software and algorithms, some of them for trading. I developed a risk management system for the largest options clearing firm in the United States at the time, First Options of Chicago. I allocated millions of dollars from investors to traders whom I believed had excellent prospects of earning above average returns. And in fact, during my period as an asset allocator, our funds earned a solid 2% better than the industry averages. I would like now to talk about what I've done in the last decade. I have continued to be an adjunct professor of finance at Illinois Institute of Technology, where I have taught many courses in a graduate level statistics, finance, investment strategies to MBA and PhD graduate students. I have authored a non-standard options theoretical model for a trading company, WH Trading Inc. in Chicago. I have I'm currently writing or preparing, in fact, to publish a book called The Strategical Analysis of Financial Markets. That book takes the view that human behavior is what leads to most market inefficiencies, but differs from most other books in that it actually analyzes what is known from psychological research and directly shows how that influences markets causing inefficiencies. And it then talks about and shows how those inefficiencies can be used to develop successful trading systems. I would like to emphasize that my entire career really has been driven by an interest in taking theoretical notions and ideas and concepts and applying them to real-world problems. I have much knowledge of the current statistical developments, including, but not limited to, data mining, machine learning, and statistical learning. In fact, I have used those in the development of trading systems. I have extensive background in presenting data to both technical and non-technical audiences. I have the ability to take complicated problems and reduce them down to their simplest elements so that even laymen can often understand what's involved. If you're interested in having me consult on your projects, I would encourage you to email me at marketpatternresearch@gmail.com. Again, one word, marketpatternresearch@gmail.com. Thank you and have a nice day.